When it comes to productivity, your environment can often make or break whether you get things done. An uncomfortable desk, an inefficient setup, not enough screen real estate. All of this can play a role in your efficiency and even prevent you from getting your work done. Today, I'm excited to share with you the conversion of my primary workstation to a more comfortable and more useful environment. For the past few years, I have had this Ikea Alex desk to house my computer, but it has not been the most comfortable of desks. I finally decided to take control of my environment and install a new one. Once I got everything out of the space, I gave the area a good vacuum and then brought in my new desk. This desk is a standing desk that I found recommended by a couple of YouTubers and was available for purchase on Amazon, but you can also purchase it through its website. This is a FlexiSpot PC1. I purchased the model with a solid maple top finish and a white set of legs, as this was the most aesthetically pleasing and matched my office perfectly. The desk itself wasn't terribly difficult to put together, and I had it assembled in about 45 minutes. I like to be able to put furniture together by myself, and I find the process quite relaxing, even if things don't always seem to go as they intended. The FlexiSpot desk was actually pretty easy to assemble, and the instructions were easy to follow. All of the tools were included with the exception of a drill, which you definitely need in order to attach the base to the top. Once I had it assembled, I moved it into place and, of course, made sure that it was level. Perfectionism aside, having a level desk means not having to worry about things rolling off and it being able to provide the most efficient function. One of the things I like about the FlexiSpot desk is that it drops all the way to 28 inches, which is perfect in my short stature, and then can be raised to a countertop height when necessary. I am definitely a stickler for cable management, and I found these cable baskets on Amazon. They don't require any screwing into the desk. A desk shelf under a monitor has become a very popular addition to desks, enabling additional storage space as well as supporting a monitor if desired. In my case, I used a white monitor arm to hold my new 34-inch curved ultra-wide Dell monitor, and then used a space underneath with these Ikea monitorizers to create a shelf for all of my supplies. A productive desktop does not need to be complicated. What I've provided on my desk here are the essentials, as well as a small charging station. This includes a drawing tablet stored away when not in use, as well as an ergonomic mouse that relieves stress on the wrist. I do have some cute gadgets, including a desk vacuum cleaner that looks like Eve from Disney, and one of my favorite scented candles. My desk also provides a place for cozy gaming using an HDMI monitor switcher that switches between my MacBook Studio and my Nintendo Switch so that I can play games, including my recent favorite, Disney Streamlight Valley. My laser desk space also got an upgrade with this sturdy IKEA workbench The frame is made of steel, and I feel a lot better about my heavy desktop laser sitting on this shelf than I did on the previous table. A productive desk can also have an alter ego. At night, I turn on these Govee LED lights mounted to the back of my monitor. My favorite setting is Aurora, which transitions slowly through a set of colors reminiscent of the Aurora Borealis. I hope my new cozy desktop provides a source of inspiration to you. If you would like to see more cozy creation content, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel.